Hey Natural Divas, this is the Naturally Mature One, aka Dell, coming to you with a new video. I just want to first say thank you for subscribing, for your likes and your comments, and I've been trying to comment on every one I've received. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you would like to know when I put up new videos, hit the little bell button, and it will it notifies you when my new videos come up. So thank you again for subscribing to my channel. I'm coming to you today with my hair being deep conditioned right now, and instead of using my normal Holy Grail product, Diva Curls Melt to Moisture, I'm trying something cheaper because one of my subscribers made me realize I do use a lot of high dollar products such as Diva Curl and Camille Rose. So I'm going to try something different. Since I've been getting the curl box now and it came in with Cantu products, I'm going to do a video about Cantu products this afternoon and put it up later on. But I wanted to do a different way of deep conditioning my hair because I deep condition my hair at least once a week. So now I'm going to try something different, and I went on YouTube to try to find some DIYs, cheap way of deep conditioning my hair, and I found a bunch of young ladies talking about rice water. So I did my research, found out what rice water was about, and it is about when you take some organic rice or regular rice or brown rice, you rinse it off, you put it in a mason jar, and you fill the mason jar with distilled water or just plain water. I use distilled water. You let it ferment for a few days, a day or so, or a few hours, or a day, or 24 hours, and then you take your hair and you utilize the rice water either to pre-poo your hair, or deep condition your hair, or just rinse your hair. I'm going to utilize it as a deep conditioner. A cheap deep conditioner, because I think the rice cost me like $89 a bag. The distilled water I got from Walmart for 60 cents. I mean, the rice water was not $89 a bag. I'm sorry, it was 89 cents a bag, and the distilled water was 60 cents a bag, and 60 cents a bottle. And I had a mason jar sitting around the house, and you can buy a mason jar for $1 at Dollar Tree. So for my deep conditioner, I paid $3, maybe $3.50 for my deep conditioner, which is cheap. So I'm trying that today. I've rinsed my hair. I washed my hair in my Jane Solution conditioner, and washing my Jane. Excuse me, guys, I'm losing it. I washed my hair in my Jane Carter shampoo, and then my Jane Carter conditioner. Now I am sitting for about 30 to 40 minutes with the rice water on my hair, and then after that I'm going to rinse it off, and I'm going to try the Cantu products, where it's the elongator, the curl strengthening elongator, and then the coconut curling cream. I'm going to try both of them. So I just wanted to come to you that I'm starting this today, a 30-day trial. I'm going to do it once a week as my deep conditioner. And just to give you a little bit of background, they said this is started by the Asian women, Asian community in called the Yao women. They do this they do rice water to rinse their hair. They rinse their hair with rice water. Forgive me, guys, I'm having a rough morning this today. They rinse their hair with rice water, and they in the Guinness Book of World Records as having the longest hair in the world. And their hair is strong. It has a great shine to it that doesn't shed. So I'm going to try and see how I do, because me taking my medications for breast cancer, I've noticed some shedding, a lot of shedding in my hair. I've also noticed that my hair has thinned out because of relaxers, and now I'm taking this medication. So I am going to try this for 30 days, once a week. I'll do it on Saturdays most of the time, and I'll come back to you after 30 days and let you know how it's done, how it's going. If you would like to join this rice water challenge with me, please put down in the comments that you're joining. I also will put in the description box the recipe or the way that I've made my rice water. but I just want to try something different and something cheap. And also, they said this is good for your hair follicles. It gives amino acids, magnesium, which is good for growing hair and make your hair stronger. So I'm just going to try it and see what's going to happen, and I'll find out in 30 days. I hope you join this challenge with me, and have a great and awesome day. Remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moment. Smooches.